So hello and welcome back. The lesson one from the React Native course. So the first thing is that we learn about JavaScript, and the constant keys. So what is constant? What is constant? Okay. Oh, yes. This is one either. I'm sorry that I haven't edited this one. Name equal okay, Wager, okay. So here name and your name. Okay, great. So a constant is a name and Wager. Okay, so constant name equal Wager. Okay, this one. So a Wager here, it can be some name like John Smith or something. When you define a name equal a Wager, you can reuse it, okay, by bracket, open bracket and write the name. Okay, get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easy one. So the name can be anything you like. So example, you might say it's Y and here you Y. Okay, can be short or long. It's up to you. So you give a name is Rachel, and Rachel can be, this one is in there. Okay, double quote is called this one is called string in JX called string. Okay, so you can learn about string in JX, and it shows you all the thing about a string. Okay, so you can refer online or string, and value can be a number like this, 10. Okay. So a number you can test by this one. You can plus 100 here. Okay.
Okay. I
Yeah.
have a question.
So
I have a question.
question. Okay.
If I use single quote in double quote, what will be happen?
Okay. Please speak slowly.
If I use single quote,
C.
avoid single quote.
C. You mean C language?
Single quote and double quote. What the difference between single quote and double quote?
Okay, I can get your question. Can you repeat slowly? Sorry that I can get your question.
What is different between single quotation and double quotation?
What is it different?
Single quotation and double quotation.
See, sorry. You mean this one? I'm sorry that I I can understand your question because the accent is so difficult for me. Uh,
Okay, you carry on, please.
okay. Uh, so I'll explain again about the string, and this one is called number. Okay, number. So again, you can search online by uh, JX number. Okay. Okay. Number in JavaScript. And this guy is easy to understand because the numbers in JX I don't understand, like you can write like this 10.5. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. It's easy because it's auto infer the time. Uh, so the JX is very easy. It's super simple. Okay, just write the name and give it a value, and it will work. It's the outer work. It's auto understand when you use a string, when you use a number. That's that is much more easy than other language like C or C++ or something else. Sorry, there's some Vietnamese I am not finished to edit yet, so maybe next lesson. Easy one mean that for reuse, so you have reuse, you can plus y. You can do something like that. It's a reuse when you want to reuse something, you declare the name and the value and reuse. Okay, understand it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the constant so no worry about this one. This kind of things are constant up equals something. This one is a little bit confused for beginner. So we I will explain it in now functions. Okay, this is called around functions. Now we we say that uh, functions equal. Its ratio is a function is that right like this, like 1,000. Okay. So now we can call a function. You can see nothing is flying. Okay, nothing on the right. And for a function, remember called by this one. Okay. Understand?
Yes, but
Yeah.
in function,
Yeah.
f f must be.
Yeah. It must be like this. It must be you the bracket. Understand?
Yeah.
So here we can put an x input an x. So we say that as plus here. So you will say it equal or fine. So you see 1,005. So the file go to x and plus this one. Understand? This is called parameter. Okay. So the input x equal 5 and plus 1,000. Understand this one?
Yes.
Yeah.
But
It's
in the line one,
yeah.
uh, second equal to use beside you used greater than. It must be used.
So it can be anything like 100. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the x if for we input the something else, something we want. So it can be 5, 100. Okay. And it can be two value. Okay. And wait, we can say that s plus y. So in this one, we say 104. Okay. Understand this
Okay.
one?
Yes.
Yeah. It's a two parameter. Okay, two parameter. The first one and the second one, and you can call it x and y. Or you can call it a and b. It's up to you. Okay, a and b. Okay, it still work. Or you can change multiply it. Okay, that's functions.
Yes.
Yeah, input a and b and return the multiply. Return. This is called return. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And around functions, and we can say that return something the results. Okay, a function. Yeah, and you can see this one is a function. Up is a function.
Yes.
Yeah, this up is a function. Return or string. Returns the string. Return the view on the string. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is really fine. You can change it to up. You can do this. It must be up. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. This is a root one. Choose one. And here we can enter here to make clear. Yeah. So you already learned about function and understand that up is a function. Yeah, this kind of thing is a function. Okay, this kind of
Okay.
thing is a function,
Okay.
and we only use the constant. Okay, only use the constant. Constant. This
Yeah.
one also a constant. So it is super simple to memorize. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can check a lot of courses on YouTube or on Udemy or on a lot of tutorial online. Uh, so they define that the function like this is called uh, they use the keyword function. Okay, and this one change to function functions and right like this. Okay. And the return. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, online you can see that this kind of things are right like this. But in this core, we don't use this kind of things. Okay, we don't use the keyword function. I want everything is super simple, so I just say that counts functions equal this thing is called return something's equal function. Okay, y and x and y as multiply y something else. Okay, divide. So or make everything is super simple one. So I don't use the keyword functions. Just forget about function. Okay, just use constant. Everything is constant, and all the course, we only use one keyword, constant. Everything constant. Okay, constant. And I don't need to learn very advanced JavaScript. Just understand the simple things. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So back to the lesson that we have to write some things on uh, the right and on the left. So now we learn about the text. Okay, I delete the functions here. Back to the text. I say that in this one, I say that a little bit. Okay, little pick. Okay, little pick. And we have moved the text to the right. And this one, we say text align equal right. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Uh,
uh, but can we use the class text align equal right in external page? You use that in inline, but can we use that in external pages
external basics.
like external CSS, internal CSS?
Okay. External CX and internal CX. So I understand your question. Like this one, I show you the snake as bow AO. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the uh, online tool to code React Native in full. So I code CX like this. You see that? Can you see the CSS here? This one is CSS. This is equal full CSS. But in this course, we learn with CSS, write index text. So this kind is called CSX in JX. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So the attribute is same. So if you want to learn more about the CSS, you just say test align CSX keyword on the first link. You will understand all the text aligned. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it's super easy. Everything here is super easy because you just write in the text one. Step by step, learn text, learn color, CX, step by step. So here we have a text and slash text. So what is this? Okay, I paste this one, text and text. This is called React Native component. Turn off this one. React Native component. Okay. Also, the keyword is that you can say React Native text. Okay. And yeah. They have an example, and you can see our document here, reference, string, and a lot of things here to learn about the text. But in this one, we just say a text, the component have a slash n, and this concept is from the HTML tag. Okay, HTML tag, something like this, but in React Native, uh, they call component and we give a name. Okay, give a name. With name, and when this one come to React, they call React JSX. Okay. JSX is this one. It's called JSX, like H1 in HTML, called the HTML tag, and in JSX, in React, they call it JSX element. Okay?
Okay.
A JSX element, and in the React Native, we call it the React Native component. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, that's easy things. So you don't need to learn HTML. HTML they borrow from HTML, and in React they got JSX, and in React Native this is component. Okay, so the first component we learn is the text, and it's in this one it called with me I install extensions web Chrome. I want to use the web-based extension. It's easy to explain, but I forgot to install. Okay, web-based. Okay, just wait. Okay. On the color text attribute are okay. Red. Here we call it the frop color text align right in the first part. It called frop here. On this center, we call this one a children. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now again, if we write in the first open and close less and greater than sign, so I call it a text sign. So it write inside this one equal frop, and at the beginning and text we call it children. Okay, children. So it's the React Native component have a frop and children. Frop and children. It's very important thing that I remember the frops and children. Okay, so the CXX here is right as frop. Right as frop. Okay, property, frops. Frop here you can add, return to a new line for easy view. Tab. Okay, it's easy finisher. Okay, little pick. I say I say let me in. Let me in. Okay, that's right. Or you can see that two line, but this one right like this. Right, you want two line with only one line. Okay. So at the end, we had to use the return one by bracket and slot n. You see that?
Yes.
Okay. This one is new line symbol. So I say that's constant new line and L equal slot n. Constant, we call it a constant, give it a name and reuse it here and L. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I say we just review again. Okay. We finish the next text. Now this one on the right and this one on the left. You have view another text one. Okay. Now we write the text text here and slash text. You see what happened? It's error. It's error because we have a two text, but the app is a function. App is a function. It's return only one component. One component. So here, two component return is wrong. So the solution is that we will wrap our objects in a new component we call view and click close view here. Select view here. Okay, it's work. Understand it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because the app is a functions. Okay, we already know it's a functions, and it only returns one component. One component, and we wrap to one component, and we often use view to wrap. Okay, view. And in the new text, I say that no, not okay. No. Again, not by the hairs on my chinny chin chins, not by the hair on my chinny chin chin. Okay, again, this one is no new line, so we just repeat the new line here, and we say the colors equal blue. Yeah, understand this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is easy.
Yeah, easy. So the first lesson is super easy. So we already learned about the constant. Okay. Again, we learned about the constant. We learned about the text. We learned about the color and text aligns on a view, and that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So see you next time.
Sure.
Yeah. The next lesson will we will draw something